And this sign says tail, yarn.
Big Bird, the store's closed, you know.
Oh yes, Susan, I'm just looking at the signs because I'm using signs to practice learning words.
Oh, that's a good idea. How are you doing them?
Oh fine, I'm going up and down Sesame Street and reading all the signs. One up on the corner on the lamppost says Sesame Street. Right on
Our
the
street
sign.
sign, that's right.
Just beyond that, there's another little sign that says stop.
Right on the corner, the stop sign. Good.
This one says sail, yarn.
Right. Hey, you're doing all right.
But there's a word that I saw today.
Uh-huh.
I can hardly say it, and I sure don't know what it means.
Well, why don't you tell me? Maybe I can help you.
Well, it's quite a word. You ready to hear it?
Sure.
Okay, listen to this.
Well, everybody's heard about the bird. The bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when the bird, bird, bird. The bird is a winner when the bird, bird, bird. When the bird is a winner when the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when the bird, bird, bird. When the bird is a winner when the bird, bird. The bird's a winner when the bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when the bird, bird, bird. When the bird is a winner when the bird, bird. The bird's a winner when the don't you know about the bird when everybody knows that the bird is a winner when the bird. Everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a winner with a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner with a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner with a bird, bird. The bird's a winner with a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner with a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner with a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner with a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner with a don't you know about the bird. Well, everybody's talking about the bird, oh, with a bird, bird. The bird's a winner with a bird. Surfin. Mama,